greater heights. We have come this far with hope, perseverance, and the support of many, and we're ready to keep climbing. To our respected Caspi Superintendent, Reverend Father Dave D. Kapukaw, our dedicated school principal, Miss Maria Jane P. Florentonia, our supportive assistant principal, Mrs. Elizabeth B. Aglano, our devoted faculty and staffs, honored guests, proud parents and families, our grade completers, and my fellow graduates of Jubileum Batch, the Carmelians, Pilgrims of Hope, good afternoon, and welcome to this joyous occasion. Today is not just a ceremony, it's a celebration of the wonderful journey we've shared together. On behalf of the grade 10 completers and my fellow graduates, I want to extend our deepest thanks to all who have supported and believed in us. Our achievements are not ours alone, they are shared with those who have walked beside us. Our families, teachers, friends, and mentors. You've given us the courage to dream, the strength to overcome, and to believe that we can achieve our best. For all of your loving support, we are incredibly grateful. To our parents and families, your love and sacrifices have made this possible. Thank you for always being there, lifting us on when we needed it, cheering us on in every small victory, and showing us that hard work and love go hand in hand. I'd especially like to thank my Mama Dulce, Mommy, and Daddy. Your belief in me is a constant source of strength. And to our teachers, words cannot express how grateful we are for you. You didn't just teach us the lessons in our textbooks, you taught us a valuable life lessons. You encouraged us when we doubted ourselves, and you inspired us to aim higher. You are not just educators, but guide who help shape our futures. Thank you from the bottom of our hearts. Now, let me talk about one of the greatest gifts we have as Jubileum Batch. We are a small class of only 8. Yes, 8. Some may call it a challenge, but it's a pure magic. This small group allowed us to truly get to know one another. Our strengths, our weaknesses, our dreams, and even our quirky habits. We've laughed together, supported each other, and grown in ways that would not have been possible in a larger group. And as much as I joke about being all in the top 8, what really matters is the bond we share. One has made the challenges lighter and the successes sweeter. We've been each other's cheerleaders, and that is something very special. To our grade and completers, you are standing in the threshold of something amazing. As you look ahead to the next chapter of your journey, I encourage you to stay here at Mount Carmel High School of General Navarro. Saint Teresa of Avila reminds us, may you trust God that you are exactly where you are meant to be. The school offers more than just academic excellence. It provides a holistic formation that nurtures not only your intellect, but also your hearts and spirits. In this school, character formation is just as important as academic success. We are molded not only to be achievers, but to be the persons with humility and simplicity, values that will guide us throughout life. It's a place where you grow as a person, develop strong values, and build lasting friendships. I know that staying here will give you the chance to experience the same kind of growth, love, and support that we have been blessed with. admired, not just in our achievements but in our service to others. No matter where life takes us, we will always share this unbreakable bond of being the Jubileum batch, class of 2024 to 2025. As Psalm chapter 37 verse 5 reminds us, commit your way to the Lord, trust in Him, and He will act. Truly, our journey has been guided by faith, and we trust that He will continue to lead us in the paths ahead. Lastly, no other than I sincerely wanted to take my biggest inspiration, my support system, my number one supporter, the person who is there for me when I needed someone who is genuinely proud of me, Nico. Thank you for everything. Once again, welcome to this special celebration. Congratulations to us all.